Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can show what you're playing on Discord mobile. Pretty simple. You want to click on your Discord profile picture, which is going to be at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside the Discord setting page, over here click on privacy and safety. From inside privacy and safety, scroll all the way down and make sure over here under activity status where it says display current activity as a status message, make sure that's on. Once that is on, scroll all the way down and you will see this option called use data to customize my Discord experience. Turn that on as well. Once both of this setting is on, whichever app you're playing or whichever game you're playing is going to be displayed on your status, and make sure your set status is online. But remember, sometimes your phone setting or like your phone system doesn't allow Discord to detect some of the game for privacy reason, so it's not going to work on every single game you're playing. Some of the game doesn't allow it to be displayed on Discord. In that case, it's not going to be displayed. And to fix those kind of issue, you can always come in Discord setting and click on set status and click on set a custom status. And from under custom status over here, you can write the name of the game you're playing. Let's say I'm playing Mario. I can just say playing Mario. If I write that and click on save, under my status, it's going to show playing Mario, as you guys can see. That is how you guys can show what you're playing on Discord. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.